Welcome to our farm, we grow our dreams. A taller farm's homestead bursting at the seams. Crafting life with soil and sun, where every day's a brand new run.
Hey everybody, welcome back to a Taller Farms Homestead. Today we are cutting some limbs. A little nice today, it's Saturday. I don't know, it's probably 55. Not warm, but it's cool. But I got my new Milwaukee 18 volt power head, and I got the cutting attachment, so I hadn't really used it one little short time. We're fixing to go around the edge of the property where we mow and try it out and see how she does. So we thank you for joining us and just enjoy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That does good. Just cutting limbs along the wood line because that's where we cut kind of our grass boundary. I'm just going to ride around and do some trimming.
We plant the seeds, we watch them rise under the blue, wide open skies, living off the land with pride. Join us for this joyful ride. Chickens cluck and cows do roam. Life here feels like home, sweet home. From sunrise till the day is done, love and laughter one by one.
Looks like we got a tree that's fell here, so we're gonna use it to just cut it up. See how it does. Oh, that thing cooks like butter. Man, yeah. Oh, got me. Knock it off. I can come around the trailer, pick that up. It's catching me all last summer. Alright. We got another one right over here. A little cedar tree that's gonna fail. Let's see. Let's go over there. We're gonna that's just so you know, I'm running it. Been running it on low speed and it's doing just fine. I'm gonna bump it up on high speed. It's got low and high. Let's see what it does on high. Obviously the battery goes quicker. I bet you they cut through it even better. Oh yeah. Let's see. I don't know why this cedar tree fell like it did. Those, man, that's gonna be, you could use that cedar for something. That's gonna be nice. I tell you what, this thing is doing great. Tell you what, you can't beat this little old thing. I bought this about a year ago, maybe a little less than a year ago, and man, my steel stuff gotten old. I don't like the new stuff, And I said, well, I'm gonna try the electric stuff. And I'm gonna tell you, I've weed eated. I've got a blower attachment, and then I've got this pole saw attachment. And this thing, I mean, it lasts longer than I thought it would, battery wise. Most things you can run on turtle. It's got rabbit and turtle, slow and fast. Most things you can run on slow. Weed eating, I run on slow unless it's really tall and thick. And I ran that on fast and it went right on through it. And I blow my whole back porch, carport, cut this little bit of trees, and I still got two bars left on the battery. So, I mean, we all know Milwaukee stuff's pretty good. It's a little pricey, I won't lie to you, but man, it's if you want a good good brushless system that you can have the attachments that change out, you can't go wrong with this one. You know, they do make the ones that have the bigger batteries. This is just the same battery you'd use on your drill or your sawzall. I kind of wanted it because I'm gonna eventually move over to those tools and I could use all the batteries for one. But they have the new high output batteries. This is a 8.0. They make like all the way up to I think a 9 or 10 or 12, and man, you can't beat it. That's slow and that's fast speed. And then it interchanges. I mean, you've got the little spin knob here, tighten it down. You just loosen that up, little push button, pulls out. It's got a little notch right here that you just line up with the arrow, and you'll hear it click and just snug it down. It ain't gotta be super tight. I've never just torqued it, I just get it hand tight. Never had it come loose. And it does pretty doggone good. So anyway, just a little short video today. Not sponsored or anything like that. If Milwaukee wants to send me some stuff to test, I got 100 acres I could put between the shop and the house and the acreage. I could put some stuff to test. But anyway, I just thought I'd make a little video on it. It's pretty awesome little doodad. And I know a lot of times people want to try something they're not sure. I looked for probably 3-4 months before I pulled the trigger. I looked at Ryobi Systems, Milwaukee, Home Depot systems, Lowe's brand. I looked at all of them, and I just decided on this one. I just took a shot on it, and I've been really happy with it. Who knows how long it'll last? Hopefully I get 5, 6, 7 years out of it. I think that how could you complain? I usually don't. So hopefully it'll last longer. But I mean, realistically, the batteries is what's gonna go out more than anything. You'll have to get batteries. I think this will probably last as long as you took care of it. I keep it clean. I blow dust out of it. I keep it clean. I cycle the batteries like I'm supposed to. So anyway, Milwaukee M18 power head with the M18 pole saw. They do make an attachment to put in between this to make it a little longer. This, for most of what I'm doing, it suits fine. I can climb in back and side by side or get a little short ladder if I had to get any taller. And like I said, I got the blower attachment and weed eater attachment. So hope this helps you a little bit, showing that, you know, it is quality. I do recommend it, and I think you wouldn't go wrong with it. It has plenty of power. That's one thing I was worried about, like weed eating. On low setting, on low speed, it powers through most things. If you was to have a lot of rain and get a hold of it away from you, you put it on high. But if you've got 2 batteries and you've got a, you know, average size yard, you power right through it. I've got 3 batteries and I can do a lot of time with it. So I'll probably get, say, an hour out of 3 batteries altogether, hour and a half, somewhere in there. So anyway, hope this helped you. Hope it's real short. Didn't do a whole lot with it, but I'm gonna use this cedar for something. I don't know what, but I'm gonna come back and cut it up, figure out something to do with it. use the savings for fire starter or something. But anyway, hope the good Lord blesses you this week. Answers your prayers. We'll pray for you as always. You pray for us. And as always, we thank you from a Farms Homestead. Bye.